All right, welcome back to another lesson of today, guys. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can, play some pentatonic sequence over the fretboard, how to unlock some pentatonic scale over the fretboard that's going to help you in your improvisation, okay? And when you're making some cool solo, okay, going to help you, just like you heard what I just played. So I'm going to show you and how to play that and how you can apply that into replaying the sounds now, okay? So I believe many of you have heard what I just played. So it's very simple. We'll be doing the lesson in the key of C. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Okay, so what I played was I know many of you hear a whole lot of guitarists using that, a whole lot of guitarists playing that whenever you're in improvisation, you hear stuff like that, okay? It's very cool when maybe you are playing over stuff like that. It's gonna sound better if you know how to apply them. Then you keep playing forward, stuff like that. Any progression possibly that sound the same way like that gonna still give you what you want, still gonna have a very good impactation in that lick, okay? So all you have to do is to make sure you practice it at first. You have to practice it at first and learn the scale and learn the notes in the fretboard very well, okay? Make sure you learn the note very well. So I started by playing Sol, La, Do, Re, Mi. But I hammer on from the Sol to the La. Sol, La, Do, Re, Mi. Okay. Okay. And I play. Anyone. Anyone you want to play. So I started by playing Re, Mi, Sol, La, Do. Re, Mi, Sol, La, Do. Re, Mi, Sol, La, Do. I play Re, Mi, Sol, La, Sol, La, Do. Again, Sol, La, Do. Then I extend to this other note. This is Do, Re, Mi, Sol, Sol. Okay, you can play. So I play Sol, Sol, La, Do, Re, Mi, Sol. Okay. Sol, La, Do. Re, Mi, Re, Mo, Re, Do. Re, Mi, Re, Mo, Re, Do. Okay. Okay, so I play another one. I play another riff like this, licks like this, okay? Okay, so what I played there was Re, this is your Do. Remember that. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do. Okay, do, re, mi. So I play. Re, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la. Okay. Okay. Re, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la. Then I play. Re, and I play, sorry, and I play mi, so, fa, mi, re, do, ti. Okay. Chord progression like that gonna sound better. Any other chord progression you find yourself still gonna sound better, okay? And I'm gonna create a chord progression. If you want it, hit on the comment section, send me. I'm gonna send it to you, okay, on WhatsApp. So that's it. From mi, so, fa, mi, re, do, ti. The next one on the fourth string is la, do, ti, la, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi. Okay? La, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi. Okay, that's a Mi chord. That is the E minor chord. Okay, so I want you guys to learn this. I want you guys to practice this. Wherever you don't understand, make sure you hit on the comment section. I'm going to give you a reply as soon as possible. And if you have any challenges, do wait to write me on the comment section as well. I'm going to shout out it. I'm going to respond to you as soon as possible. If you want to join my online class on WhatsApp, do wait to chat me on the number on the screen there. I'm going to respond to you. All right. Like, share, and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Bye.